And guess what? I already had a Calamity 2 minutes ago. I have all these cameras set up now, right? And the third camera wasn't working for me. Instead of plugging it in down here, I'll plug it in over there. It fell on the edge of the bowl that was where the spices and the egg were patiently waiting ahead of time for the show to begin. And it flew the spices and it broke the egg. Everything already. Because I got a special show for you guys. A really special show. Well, to me, it's special.
How special is it?
In honor of St. Valentine's Day, I would like to bring on my other half.
No applause, just money.
We don't make much money on YouTube, honey. But we'll get there. So, you guys, tonight we're having Manicotti.
Nice.
And the husband is going to teach us how to do it. You're going to love it. Absolutely love it.
I am making manicotti. We have our Parmesan. We usually go to the store and buy a big old chunk. These are some leftovers, some Asiago, and one of the rinds that we use later for other meals. We got 1 egg. Miss Calamity is gonna take a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and she's gonna bloom them.
Woohoo!
And we have 3 cups of mozzarella. You can use part skim or whole. We usually go with whole. Pinch of garlic powder.
Oh, well, here, let me have that. We'll throw it in here.
Throwing it in.
Yeah,
just a
throw it in.
pinch.
Okay, just
Pinch.
a pinch.
That's not pinch, that's a palm.
I can
Come
get
on.
a pinch from the palm.
Do it.
Okay.
We are gonna start with the egg. We're gonna do half of this ricotta. About half, somewhere around there.
Half. I want half.
Can you bloom those spices for me?
Oh, I'm happy to. All the potential of the flavor out of that. All the potential flavor out of there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to crush it and cause enough friction for the oil, natural oils to come out of spices. You do it for about 30 seconds or so until you can really smell them.
I can smell it. Little pinch of salt.
Okay.
In the meantime, I'm stirring the egg into the ricotta.
Okay, you want this in there?
Sprinkle it in, or yeah, just dump it. And then,
Well, your pinch is much different than my pinch. Stop, don't pinch me. Are you going to put some parsley in here to cut?
yes.
Let me have that.
Don't throw it away. That's going in the fireplace. Don't be hitting me.
I'm sorry, it was a reflex of the dog.
1 cup of mozzarella
Okay.
going in here.
Yummy.
Parmesan.
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 Yummy.
In the meantime, I'm gonna throw the manicotti for 9 minutes in the boiling water here.
Hold on.
Holding.
And this is, we had already made and it was in our freezer. And so we just took that out. Oh, well, the sauce.
That's sauce. Meat
It's meat
sauce.
sauce.
And sausage.
And it is delish. Okay, go ahead.
Hi. I've greased this pan very lightly
With
this olive oil and the very unreliable squirter. And
It
we're gonna
doesn't
fill up a
teaspoon
piping
at
bag.
a time.
No, it sucks.
Okay. Hey, why don't you fold down your piping bag
Why?
so it doesn't get all over the tippy top, just like that.
It goes everywhere. It becomes a giant mess. I'm not a professional.
Neither am I. I'm just a calamity, but go ahead, I'll hold it for you.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take this soup of ricotta.
And what you can do, if you don't have a piping bag and you want to use it,
What?
you can take a Ziploc,
Yes.
put it in the Ziploc, and then nip off the corner a little bit.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
I
Oh, what
think
the
you
heck?
filled too much at a time over the top.
That's perfect.
It is not.
It's awesome.
Well, let's try it then.
We are trying.
Here, you do it then.
Okay, you put some sauce down. Watch it. Here we go. So with the lightly oiled. All right, let's try this again.
Okay, all right.
There you go. What the heck?
Can they see? Okay.
I don't know if they can
Here,
see or
we
not.
have to do it this way.
Holy cow. Keep going.
I'm trying.
Come on, it's messy.
Hold on.
It's
I
always
know. I
messy.
got. No, yuck.
Yuck. Come on.
Okay, I'm getting it.
Let's talk more walk. Let's go. There we go. Perfect.
Okay, it's coming
Nice,
out
there
the
we
top.
go.
Oh, gross.
Oh my god.
What do I do about that? Can
Put
I
it back
just-
in.
Oh, here.
Where are those
Let's
hands?
trade.
My god.
Let's trade. Hold on, I gotta wash my hands. Yeah, I would fill it only halfway.
I don't like that. It's either all or nothing.
It's a mess.
This isn't Olive Garden. It's camel-shaped pasta.
Yeah. Looks good to me. I'm so glad that you guys got to hang out here with us and join our special guest. And he hasn't been on here for a very long time. Yeah, it's been a very long time.
Yeah. Thanks for joining.
Yeah, thank you for joining us, guys. And guess what?
What?
We're going to eat dinner. You guys, happy Valentine's Day. And I love having rabbit ears.